Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download Chinese TikTok on Android. Chinese TikTok is now renamed to Douyin Apk. So you just need to search for Douyin Apk, but if you search for Chinese TikTok Apk, so you won't get that. So you just need to search for Douyin Apk. Now from here you just need to scroll down until you find that the original website, the official website of Douyin.com. Here it is. Now you just need to tap on it and you have to wait until the website is loaded. Here you can see it has just loaded. Now you can just tap on translate button if you want to translate that all the this actually this all these Chinese languages, just because of this is a Chinese TikTok application, Chinese version, so all the language will be in Chinese language. Now you can find the get app option here. You can just tap on get app button here. Now you can just tap on this download anyway. Now here you can see the file is now downloading. Now go to details and you can find that app is now downloading. So as soon as the app is downloaded, you can just tap on the download file, the apk file, and it will just start install on your device. Here you can see it has been downloaded. Here you just need to tap on the apk here and you can see it, there's an option to install that application. Tap on install button and here you can see it's installing. Now tap on OK, and you have to give the permission I have to give the permission for this Google Chrome to download or install this application. So I have to go to the settings and search for unknown. Here it is, install unknown apps, and from here install unknown apps, and from here make sure that you have turned on Google here and Google also. Let me show you this Chrome browser here and my files. So now you just need to tap on it and tap on the install button here, and you can see that it is just installing. So here you can see we have just to go to auto blocker. So let me complete this process. Then again I'm going to try it. Now tap on install and let's see if it's blocked or not right now. Here, from here you can find that it's installed. As you can see, it has just installed on my device. Now I can open it just like this. Here you can see this is actually the TikTok Chinese version here. So this is actually the TikTok Chinese version here, and that's how you can just download the TikTok Chinese version, aka Douyin Apk, on your Android devices. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching, and hope you will enjoy this TikTok Chinese version.